Just like for 6 passenger, private.
Okay, okay, okay.
PPL.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Private jet.
yeah.
The airplane.
You know, one day I was going to Guinea-Bissau,
Mm.
and they tell me, oh, you know, you're gonna go to Senegal, and then you will go to Guinea. I was like, why can't I go direct? Oh no, don't worry. We have a private jet. We have a private jet that will take you from Senegal to Guinea. So me, I'm like, private jet? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I look at my manager and when I'm like, private jet? We going, right? So we take the Air France plane. We arrive in Senegal, all good. Then we go out in the airport, etc. And then they tell us, oh, you know, yeah, we're gonna take you to your private jet. So me, I'm like, let's go,
Yes.
let's
Yes.
go. So I'm like, you know, with my bag, like, and I'm waiting to see, you know, a jet, a Gulfstream or a G5 or with a sofa inside or something. And it was a fucking Cessna. It's like it was like
It's your private jet.
it was a box. It was a box with two wings, 80s. And I was like, I look at it, I was like, there was not even a seat inside. It was just, you know, it was just like something that goes like this and you sit.
Ah.
And I'm
I
like,
love Africa.
and then they say, yo, he's your driver, and it's a guy, he's Mr. Cisse. So I'm like, wait, a black guy gonna drive me too on this? Bro, bro, listen. So the guy arrives, he's like, you know, in my head, the whole flight, I was already thinking, yo, I'm gonna vlog. I'm gonna vlog me on the sofa of my private jet, like with my champagne, chilling, you know.
Yeah.
And there's gonna be some white guy with the uniform, dressed like a pilot, and there's gonna be some nice, sexy hostess from Mozambique, and you know, I'm gonna be there. And yeah, this guy arrived with his T-shirt, chilling. He was like, "Yo, what up? You are my passengers?" And we're like, "Who the fuck are you?" It's like, well, I'm your driver. You my driver? Yeah, I'm the pilot. No, you're not. Listen, the way we look at each other, we did our cross sign, and we were like, yeah, when you have to do it, you have to do it.
Are you ready? Voilà, un petit coucou.
C'est plus sûr que les gros, hein.
Ah ouais?
Ouais.
Pourquoi?
Hein?
Pourquoi?
Quoi?
Pourquoi c'est plus sûr que les gros?
Là, tu atterris partout. Même quand tu tombes en pente, ça plane. Tu atterris partout, hein.
Qui est le pilote?
Malik.
Ah. Tout seul?
Oui.
On sera tous les trois? Génial.
Commandant Malik. Les petits pour planer, mais les gros.
Commandant Malik! Commandant Malik! J'entends pas. Bonjour, commandant Malik.
Ça va?
Ça va bien?
Vous, c'est comment
Kaysha.
Bonjour à madame.
Et Guylaine.
D'accord, ok.
C'est un peu plus rapide. Mais ça va.
Aïe, 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 faut que je...
Dakar, c'est avec ça, bonjour.
T'as été à ton téléphone? pas qu'il y ait d'interférence. T'as ton téléphone plus jamais.
C'est collecteur, ça, collecteur.
Bissau.
Bissau na Bissau, Bissau na Bissau.
Ah putain. Yeah.
Risquez pas d'en avoir besoin.
Hein? C'est clair.
Finalement, c'est pas mal, hein?
On revient vous chercher à Bissau, c'est ça?
Oui, apparemment, ouais.
Quand
Welcome to Guinea-Bissau, Mr. Shada.
Chamanduba pure domingo, chamanduba bibi chave.